here. So today I basically was just thinking about my family and how blessed I am to have everyone, my husband, my 2 kids, and I just really, it's been hitting me just how important family is. And I really think that if all of us just really focused on our family and really just emphasized their worth and appreciated them, then really our lives can go a whole lot better. If our family is firm with a nice foundation, it's just amazing the things that you can do together. So what I wanted to do is add a new series to Mommy Did You Know? That's pretty much, it's going to be called Family Focus, where every week I'm just going to give one tip that I've used in my family or something that I just want to develop more in my family and that I just want to share with those around me. So for today, our family focus tip, basically, family focus tip number 1 is communication. So that's very, very important for any relationship in your family, not only for your husband or your wife, but also for your kids. It's very important to be able to have open and clear communication between you and your family. So I developed the 3 rights of communication, which kind of just makes it very simple to understand when and how you should communicate. So for me, our 3 rights, the first one is the right time. It's very important to be able to come with the correct time to be able to speak about something. For example, you're coming, let's say you've been cleaning the house all day, you're really aggravated, and your husband comes in and the first thing you do is start da-da-da-da-da, you got to start working on this and this. But that necessarily is not the right time. It's just very important to find a time that works for both of you guys, so that it's not necessarily something that you're attacking, but it's something that is actually very good for you guys and will be beneficial. The second right is the right attitude. The attitude is so very important. So sometimes what helps is if you think about what you say before you say it. So for me, sometimes just filtering it out with my mind before I say it just makes such a big difference. And we always have to have the more of a positive attitude as well, because that just makes such a big difference. And one way to get the positive attitude and correct attitude, the right one, is by just being careful of the advice that you get. Because sometimes if you're listening to gossip and you're talking to your friends, and sometimes they might give you negative thoughts, and that really changes the attitude that you'll have towards your family. So that's why it's very, very important. Number 1, have the right time. Number 2, have the right attitude. And number 3 is very, very important, and that's to have the right words. For example, if you're talking to somebody, you don't want to have a lot of you always, I always, you never. It's more, you have to have more words that are more open-ended and not necessarily so much against that person, because as soon as you start saying you always or you never, it just starts a defensive barrier. So you just want to work on those. So just for your family tip for this week, it's just communication and the 3 rights to have the right time, the right attitude, and the right words. Thank you so much. Please subscribe to my channel. I'm going to have so many different things, not only about mommy and baby care, but also about families, just because I think it's so important to be able to build strong families. So thank you so much. Subscribe to my channel and you're going to see so many more great things.